There are 6 vowels in Persian language, 3 long vowels and 3 short vowels. The short vowels are A, E, O. Here are the shapes they take in Persian. The short vowels are some signs above or below the letters, and it's not common to write them. As beginners, we may write them, but once we learn to read and write, we would know the pronunciation of words without the presence of the short vowels. Here are the 3 long vowels: A, I, U. And these are the shapes they could take. We'll go through them one by one in due course.